watching a 4-star property. In this property, one type of room is available on Agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy. You see more than 100 of reviews of this property. You could go to Agoda.com. Its review rating is 9.6. Rating time of this property is 2 review. And checkout time of this property is very good. If you have stayed in this property, you can send your experiences via comments. For booking or get more details about this property, please check description. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends,